listen to this and trust me, it is actually easier to get people to follow you. Yes, maybe if you're on YouTube, there are ways you can do some stuff and then get subscribers. Yes. If you're on Instagram, there are ways you can do some stuff and get subscribers. Yes. If you're on TikTok, there are some things you do to get subscribers. Yes. There are a lot of things you can actually do and you get subscribers. But there is something that you cannot do. That is to keep the subscribers, to keep your followers on Instagram, to keep your followers on TikTok. Getting followers is not as hard as sustaining them. Take this from me today. So as much as you are into the creator's journey, you are in any platform that you choose, you are struggling to get the crowd. When you get the crowd, how do you keep them? How do you plan to keep them? So I'm going to say some few things here that you put in place that will help you keep your crowd, your community. The first thing is to build a community. And this community you are building has to be based on your belief system. If I believe that it's okay to be a single mom, for example, people that think like me will come around me, and that is my community. This is the simplest way I can put it. I don't know what you've been listening to, but this is the realistic and most simplest way I can put it. If you believe that the only way you can make it in life is when you maybe relocate to another country, you cannot survive in your country. Only people that have that belief system and values like you will come to your community. So what you do is put your belief system out there. I believe, I know I am this, I believe this is what I believe life is about. And people that think like you, that believe and have values like you, they will all come and they will become your community. That's the first thing. And then the second thing is, once you build that community, how do you feed them? You cannot have kids that you do not feed. I don't know how this thing is so hard. I know a bunch of creators that have social media platforms that are not making money. So the next thing you should do after creating that community is to add value. Yes, you cannot create a community of people that you are not feeding. Does not make sense. So people have this, they understand your value system. They know that, okay, this is what you believe. But then what? So you have to come regularly once in a while to let them know that, okay, this is what is new, this is what is happening, and they are always around to listen. Why? Because they are already in your community with the same mindset and the same belief system. That's the second thing. And then the last one, this is as simple as it can be, is look for ways to make money. Look for ways to monetize. Look for ways that you can monetize. Yes, 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 yes. If you're on Facebook and you've gained a community, you have followers, don't just depend on that crowd alone. Look for ways that you can make money and actually make real money. If you're on TikTok, you now have a community, a crowd, and then you are feeding them with value system. Look for ways you can turn different value system into money. You are on YouTube, you now have a community, you now have a large crowd. Look for a way you can feed this crowd and make money. I hope this is as simple as it is. If you want to ask me more questions, leave a comment in the comment section. Let's discuss. Come to my community as well, where I will have free sessions to put you through step-by-step details and also give you links to my free courses. Okay, I hope that your content journey becomes successful and you make a lot of money out of it like you hope it will. Let's all have a wonderful year, shall we? Until I meet you in the next video. Bye.